But I told you. I told you. Yes, of course, I told you. But you told me down. Make sure, yes, make sure you deliver the item to him, not to her. Of course. You can't even follow simple instructions. Yes. Of what use? It makes no sense. Just give this boy a simple instruction and he cannot even follow it. Goodness gracious. Hey yo, what happened?
I got the package delivered.
I told you not to deliver to nobody.
I went there was no one there. I met the girlfriend, I gave her the package.
You would have put him on call or let me know.
I'm sorry, boss.
Yo, I play no games. I told you what to do. I gave you instructions. You got the code.
It's delivered, boss.
Where's my dough?
I got your paper. You're good, boss. I got your bag secured. There you go. What do you mean to do now? I'm ready to go.
Good deal. Make sure you get those 2 cars ready. Get ready for the next deal. Don't mess it up.
I'm down with it, boss. I'm not messing around this time. I promise you that.
Don't mess it up. Good job. See you. I rule the city. I play no game.